I am already logged in. So if I want to book an excursion through Carnival, I can do it on their website. I would suggest that you look at other excursions through TripAdvisor. All you have to do is search the port that you're going to. You can also get on cruisecritic.com and look at their forums there. There's a lot of good people that post reviews on different ports they go to. But if you want to book through Carnival, of course, if they have a money-back guarantee right now that you're not going to find a cheaper price, they also won't leave if something happens to you. They won't leave until you are on board. But if I want to do that, I just click the red banner. I'm going to click on Book Excursions, and it's going to take me to this page. It's going to show you if you have excursions booked or not. We have Faster to the Fun. I talked about that in one of the last videos. And so right now there's none left, and so you cannot book it. But if I wanted to book something in Aruba, I click on Aruba. Of course, you can search here by any of the categories listed: price range, duration, activity level, and age. Some of them you have to be a certain age to go to. And then simply, if you hover over the excursion that you're looking at, if you just want to get information about it, you can click on the title. It brings up reviews for you. It brings up pictures. It brings up, like I said, the best price guarantee. If you find something for a cheaper price, they will offer you 110% of the difference. Gives you a snippet of information here for you, what's going to be included, what to expect, and then a lot of reviews, okay, which is always helpful. If you want to book, you click Add to Cart. Then you're going to have to pay for it with a credit card, and you're going to have tickets. If for some reason you decide that you do not want to go on that excursion anymore, Carnival is usually pretty good at letting you cancel your tickets. Sometimes they'll only give you onboard credit for a refund. Sometimes I'll go ahead and credit your credit card. But after you book that, if you want to go to your next port, simply click on your next port, find which excursion is right for you, and book it. Okay. Again, I recommend that you go and look on TripAdvisor or Cruise Critic to find other companies that can beat these prices. Okay. If you want to go through the paperwork of getting your 110% money back, you can, but it's a lot of work to go through. And so once you have your excursions booked, click on the red banner again, click on Cruise Details, and it will show you your excursions at the bottom of the page. Okay, and that's just an introduction to booking excursions. If you have questions or comments, please let me know.